In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade my Bill.com account. To get started, make sure you're using a web browser on your computer, like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. The downgrade options you need are not available in the mobile app, so you'll want to avoid using your phone or tablet for this part. Open your browser, go to the Bill.com website, and sign in with your usual login details. Give it a moment to load fully before moving on. Once you're logged in, look for the main navigation area, usually along the top or on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where Bill.com keeps most of your account and billing controls, so anytime you need to make subscription changes, this is where you'll come. Inside the Settings area, you'll want to find and click on Billing and Subscription. This section shows you your current plan, your billing frequency, and the tools you have access to. Make sure you're on the correct company or account if you manage more than one, so you don't accidentally change the wrong subscription. Next, look for an option that says Pricing and Plans, or sometimes it may appear as Features, depending on the version of the interface you're using. Click on that. This page lays out the different plan tiers available, what each one includes, and how much they cost. Take a moment here to compare what you have now with what you actually use. Now, choose a lower cost plan that better matches your current needs. If you only need very limited functionality, like just paying or receiving payments from other Bill.com users, you can select the free basic account if it's available to you. Before selecting, think about which features you truly rely on, such as approvals, integrations, or advanced reporting, so you don't accidentally lose something essential. Once you've decided on the plan you want, click the option to select that plan. The site will walk you through a few prompts to confirm your choice. Carefully review any notices about changes to your features, billing dates, or transaction limits. When everything looks good, finalize the downgrade by confirming your changes. After that, you should see a confirmation message or an updated plan summary. It's a good idea to refresh the page or log out and back in to make sure your new plan is active. And that's it. You've successfully downgraded your bill.